In this video, I am going to show you the installation of virtual machine. Before installing a virtual machine in our PC, first we need to check the virtualization is enabled or not in our computer. So for this, we just need to go to Task Manager. So click on the taskbar and the Task Manager. In Task Manager, go to the Performance tab. In CPU, in the right corner, the virtualization. Here the virtualization is enabled for my PC, so there is no problem in installing the virtual machine. If it is disabled means, then we should enable the virtualization through BIOS setting. For this, we should restart our computer. Before loading, uh, hold F2 or F12 button. Then you will be see a menu, and in that go to the click on the Advanced tab. Under this, the virtualization technology, you can enable it. After enabling the virtualization technology, then only you can install the virtual machine in our computer. So for before installing the virtual machine, first we need to download an hypervisor. Then we need to download the virtual image of OS. About how to install virtual machine. Virtual machine, we know that virtual machine is a virtual environment that works like a computer within a computer. Virtual machine are made possible through the virtualization technique. This process is managed by hypervisor. Hypervisors are responsible for managing the resources like memory and storage from host to disk. So, in order to install virtual machine, we need a hypervisor. I choose Oracle VirtualBox. So go to the Oracle official website and download the VirtualBox. I'm going to download the Windows host package and the extension pack also. Here in my case, Windows 10 is my host, so I'm going to download Kali Linux as my virtual machine. Go to the kalilinux.org. Here I'm going to download the ready-to-use virtual image of Kali Linux. I choose the 64-bit one and the virtual box. I'm going to download this one. After downloading the VirtualBox and Kali Linux, we just need to import it to the VirtualBox and to make it work. Open a VirtualBox. Just click on the import button. Browse the file and choose it to be imported. Just next. Now we will be shown the settings for virtual machine, so you can customize them. Click on import. After done with the settings and import, now click on the start button to launch the virtual machine. Okay. Now I successfully installed my virtual machine. Thank you. Now I am going to install C compiler in my virtual machine. Um, Before installing, we need to check whether the GCC compiler is present or not in our Linux platform. For checking this, we simply write this command. If it shows the number of options of GCC, then your Linux OS have a pre-installed GCC compiler, so no need to install the GCC compiler. If your Linux does not have the GCC compiler, then you can download it, and by using this command, you can install the compiler, the C compiler. So now our compiler is ready to use. So um, we can we can write. We are going to write a simple C program and compile it using our compiler. I already write one program, sample.c. So I am going to compile it. Now our program is successfully compiled or run. We use this command. This is my the output of my program. So in Linux OS, in my virtual machine, we use the GCC compiler manually. Thank you.